Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono. We are back at Walgreens with a 99-cent deal, and I think I might have a bunch of your attention. There's a couple promotions overlapping. There's a new display at the store, and it's just lining up perfectly to get a lot of this stuff at 99 cents. And with Mother's Day right around the corner, this would make an ideal Mother's Day gift, especially if you want to throw extra couponing cosmetics in the free cosmetic bag that you're going to get with this deal. I think that would be the perfect little gift. So we're going to go through this line by line, and hopefully your store has this display with the makeup bags. And it stores with the beauty counter and without the beauty counter. It's not just like beauty counter only. But if you can track this down, this might be the deal for you. If not, apologies in advance, guys. I know a lot of you get upset when you can't participate. But with this display, there's this promotion of buy two, get one for free. And that's on the Neutrogena cosmetics that are in this display. And as you saw, there was a bunch of makeup wipes plus a bag. And that's while those quantities last. Once they sell out, and if there's a lot of couponers in your area, you're not going to get they're not going to go in the back and say, yeah, I'll find you 6. Once they're off the display, I think you're out of luck. They have a whole bunch of different colors, and it's a very sizable makeup bag, and it's like this beautiful quilted. So like, it's not the cheapest thing I've ever seen. So definitely you're going to grab one of these for this promotion, along with 3 bags of the Neutrogena makeup wipes priced at $7.49 a pop. There's more expensive ones, but we're just looking to do this the cheapest way. And there's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon as well to go with this. And remember, it's buy 2, get 1 for free. So 1 you're technically not paying for. And because all of this stuff is just of a regular price point, my understanding is that it's all ringing up properly. It's not going to be some weird nonsense where it's not ringing up properly this week. The Tylenol for $5.99. Grab one of these 24 counters, and there's a $2 digital attaching. Now, with that new fun display, I did not see this attached, which is the sticker. Some stores may. If you go in the regular skincare aisle and look for the specific ones with this tagging, you'll know you're picking up the right ones. I'm talking about those Neutrogena makeup wipes. The Tylenol for $5.99 had this sticker as well of spend $20 to earn back a $10 register reward on Kenvue products. And Neutrogena and Tylenol are both Kenvues. So again, look for those tags just to be extra smart in the store. And then just to show you guys, these are the coupons that you're going to load. The 4 off of 2 and the 2 off of 1. So that is $6 right there in manufacturer coupons. Now, if you might have register rewards also and your store doesn't care, like say that $7 P&G one this week, it has a very quick expiry date. I would toss it into this deal so you don't have like 15,000 register rewards that are going to expire in your purse. But here's the breakdown for this one. 3 of those Neutrogena wipes on a buy 2 get 1 for free is $14.98. Don't forget that bag as well. And then 1 Tylenol for $5.99 for a total of $20.97. $6 melting off. Pay $14.97, get back a $10 register reward, making it $4.97. The 5 items are 99 cents each. If you're doing this deal with no paper or digital booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, pay it down up to $10. I think it's a great little deal. And then just to show you what does the Kenvue register reward look like, here it is. Make sure you're not rolling it on another Kenvue deal, obviously, or a second one will not print. And I believe the Aveeno line is also part of Kenvue, so if you're not about that Tylenol or you just hate it, you might have to Frankenstein another deal, and there's some digital coupons to go with that. Smallest out of pocket is the 24 count of the Tylenol. Another deal that might interest you if you use a lot of Listerine, and we use a ton of this in our household, it's the $7 Listerines. Now, earlier this week, these were bringing up full price, not the sales price of $7. So, and you still can't do this as a curbside pickup, which is so dumb. In store, again, grabbing 3 of these, and watch at the register that they're ringing up for $7 a pop. 3 of them will be $21. We have this $1 digital coupon that you're going to load. 21 minus the $1, you're going to pay $20. And remember, we're doing this in store, getting back that $10 register reward, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per liter bottle of Listerine. This is a no-brainer, especially if you use a lot of Listerine. And if you have register rewards that you wish to flip, by all means go for it. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And just a quick rule of thumb while you're in the store, ask the cashier if the machine is printing out the coupons, listen for it, visually look at other customers in front of you, pay attention, because you don't want to do a bunch of deals where $10 register rewards are not printing. Be smart out there, guys. I know with Mother's Day right around the corner, that makeup bag is so darling. Go and make that deal happen. We'll catch you in the next one.